Hi, welcome back to another step-by-step lesson. My name is Kim and I'm very happy that you're here. A few days ago I did a video about Wix, which is a drag and drop website development website. Basically, it's a web-based website builder. And today I'm going to do a similar thing with Weebly, which is a competitor to Wix. It's touted as being the super easy do-it-yourself website builder for beginners. So I'm going to try it. I've never been on this before. I did create my login already, but that's about it. So we'll explore it together and see if it's as easy as they say. I am not a beginner. I've made lots of websites. I use WordPress and Dreamweaver and HTML. And these are more drag and drop. You pick a theme, click on the text and change it. You can change the pictures. I'm not sure what else they allow you to change on here. So let's just dive in and get started. Okay, so first you're going to need to sign up. I already did sign up, so I'm just going to log in. It's free. What kind of website would you like to create? Well, we did a little store last time. We were selling cupcakes. Let's go ahead and do the same thing, just so we get an idea. Apples to apples here. I don't remember what I named the other one. Let's name it this, whatever. Okay, what type of items will you be selling? Food. Okay, here's some choices. Arts and crafts, clothing, classes, fitness, wellness, health, and beauty. Oh, a lot of choices. Okay. Almost done. What's your store's address? This is not my real address. I'm just making this up. Sure, USA. Okay, we'll pick that. Here we go. I didn't put a zip code, but whatever. Accept online payments quickly, easily, and securely. And now that Weebly is part of Square, your online store and payments are seamlessly connected. Got it. Hopefully it won't make us set up right now. Okay. Well, okay, so this is our dashboard. We've got the website, our items, orders, marketing, insights, photo studio, our settings. This is kind of nice. It shows your sales right up here, your page views, your unique visits. Here's where we can edit the website, manage our items, design, add an item, set up your domain. Well, this does look pretty easy. Let's go ahead and design our website. Choose a layout and adding brand colors. Okay, let's do that. Okay, so little kitchen, that's kind of cute. Sell items to ship, items for pickup. Let's let them pick them up. We don't want to ship them. Add top reel items on the home page. Sure, why not? Collect email addresses. Sure, why not? Instagram, include a contact form. Sure, we'll do all this. Testimonials, highlight a favorite item. Oops, hold on. Okay, let's proceed. I think I got the dogs quieted down. We'll see how long that lasts. Anyways, okay, so this is what it kind of has made our page look like so far. Okay, well, that's fine. Let's see, next. Oh, let's see. Features, logo, style. We haven't done that yet. So, okay, here we go to add your logo. This PC, I think I put it on the desktop. Determined that this was going to be my logo. Not very exciting, but I didn't. So there's our logo. Oh my goodness, they're starting again. Okay, let's go. My mouse will act up. Here we go. Okay, what do we got here? This style applies to your entire site. You can adjust this later. So there's modern. To changing the text really. Sure, let's be modern. Colors. So what else is it going to change the color of? So all our, so that makes it kind of a purple. I don't really like that. How about a red? Nah, I don't know. Sure, we'll go with this. Okay, finished. Let's see what happens. We didn't get to pick a theme or anything. Build your professional brand with unique web address like example.com. I don't want to do that now. I don't really want to do that. Okay, let's see. View a list of site pages, select a page to edit, or click the plus sign to add a new page. Okay. Oh, that's where the pages are. Okay, categories. Add an item and we'll give you its own page. You can categorize items by type. Okay. Colors, fonts, and styles. That's down here. And then page sections. These are the page sections. Okay, so we have header, banner. Okay, well let's see what happens here. What does it have under site design? I would just have color. What does that look like? I don't know. Let's pick a lighter color. Okay. Style button. Oh, I like the rounded button. Okay, here's fonts. Oh, those we already looked at. Which font do we like? Kind of like this thick one, actually. Let's go there. Okay, so there we go. Got that. Now our header. Let's see. What is this going to say? Home and shop. Our logo. Here's navigation. Button. Click here to edit. I don't know what button would go there. Let's not have a button. I don't know. Icons. Shop. Okay. So they're going to let us do each section separately here. So we're going to put our items here. Let's go ahead and let's create our item. Let's get some actual data in here so we can, this is a physical item, sure. Let's get a picture first. Let's see. Image. Let's have this guy. So this is a pink confetti cupcake. I don't know how much it took to. Let's say $3.50. Vanilla. Oops. Cupcake with pink frosting. That's delayed. Okay. There we go. So we'll save that. Okay. Can we add another? Add feature item. Add item. Okay, so let's add another one. Let's get an image. Let's do, sure, open. So this is a chocolate cupcake. Make them all the same price, why not? Chocolate cupcake, can't type, with pink frosting. Okay, we'll save that. Okay, let's add one more so we have 3. Let's add, sure, these are pretty. I just grabbed these on, let's see. Chocolate sundae cupcake. That looks like a sundae to me. This will be, let's make these $4. I don't know why. It has cherry. Chocolate sundae cupcake with cherry on top. Okay. All right, I get the idea. So let's do that. And then let's save it. Okay, so now we've got our cupcakes. Here's our contact page. We can add our, I have no idea what this did, but it picked it. Oh, it picked this address. Okay, so we added the address. Select a location. Let's select. Okay, you can enter your own details or select a location synced from your Square account. I'm not gonna put a Square account in here. Oh, okay, never mind. So you really have to set up a Square account, I guess, if you're going to have a store. Oh, the dogs are going again. Okay, so anyways, once you do that, you could put all this in, I guess. Hours. Can we edit them? Okay, so we can edit them. We can just click and type. Let's see. Okay, dogs are noisy. Hold on. Okay, there we go. My dogs are up playing outside now, so it should be better. Okay, so we can click and type here. We can change any of this, phone number, your email, all that sort of thing. And you just scroll down. I guess you just click and type where you want. So it puts our icon in there for our logo. Here's these little icons for social media. We can have them put their email in there. Subscribe to our... Oh, the dogs are back. Live in sweet moments forever. Whatever. You can change it for whatever you want. So anyways, that's that, I guess. Let's see. Let's go back. So we can click each thing and it'll take us to it. Or we can determine what we want in each area. So there's our email. So social media. So you can change the colors of those. I see. So what can we customize? The layout, section style. So let's preview our site and see what it's going to look like. Starts at the bottom. Okay, so kind of plain at the top. We might want some more text here. But our pictures look nice. Here's our little contact form. We can add more text here, I'm sure, if we wanted to. Here's our location and hours and stuff, so that if we had a store, that we could lead the people to our store. And if we had a Square account, we could link to it and people could actually pay online, which is pretty cool. Oh, this shows us what it's going to look like on someone's cell phone. So it made it responsive so that it adjusted everything to fit on the cell phone. That's cute. Okay, so close the preview. Now we are still in the phone. Here we go. I guess we can change the desktop now. Yeah, so like this section specifically, you'd probably want a lot more text, or maybe, can you put something over here? Add an image. We have another picture here. Here's some more cupcakes. Oh, that's kind of cool. You'd need a better picture. That one's kind of pixelated. But that made it so it's not so much white. Improve readability. So what is this doing to me? Oh, I see. So this is changing the resolution a little bit. It's like blurring it and also... Huh, interesting. Okay. So that's cute. So we've got our chocolate cupcake there. Probably want one with really nice frosting on top, but that added a lot of personality to our page. And it's our featured products, and I guess there's more pages. So let's click done here. There's featured items. Oh, here we go, page. So now we could go to different pages. Item pages. So there's a page for this. Oh, it had its own page. That's kind of nice. And you could put similar items here. That's cute. So you could put a lot more details and more pictures of the same cupcake if you wanted to. Okay, so each thing, when you click on it, will have its own page. I didn't notice that before. Let's go back to our preview. So if we go home, if we click on these guys. Oh, awesome. Oh, so this was pretty easy. I mean, it's going to look like every other Weebly website because you really couldn't pick any themes or overall design other than color and font. But I guess you can move stuff around. But for a quick website, I mean, this is pretty good. It's easy. And it doesn't look really, really amateurish. I mean, it looks fine. It's nothing spectacular, but it's fine. For a free website, I mean, what more do you want? And then I'm sure there's charges once you start selling. I'm sure there's fees. You'll have fees for Square, and then I'm sure there'll be some sort of fees from Weebly also. But let's see, what is footer branding? Okay, you have to upgrade to add to remove the Weebly stuff, but that's fine. Let's see what upgrade costs. Let's see. Okay, so $12 a month. Let's see, what does that give you? All the free plan features plus publish a custom domain, so you get like an actual domain of your own. You don't have to use the Weebly one. You can use custom fonts and no Square branding and ads. Okay, well so the free one you're gonna have ads. That might be kind of annoying for your visitors, and you're sending them away to another site. So that's a negative of the free site. So if you have a bigger site, here's $26 a month. So you get everything included here, plus you can accept payments through PayPal, easily fulfill orders with integrated shopping solutions, recover lost sales with abandoned cart emails. You can add gifting. Okay, let's see what the premium gives you. All the performance plan features. So you get this, plus save on transaction fees with our lowest processing rate, highest discounts on shipping, avoid under or overcharge of shipping with our real-time shipping calculator. So everything includes shopping cart, tax calculator, coupon codes, payments through Square, inventory management, and gift cards. So, yeah, okay. Cancel anytime, pay monthly, transfer your own domain name, which is good. So, very cool. Anyways, I like it. So, anyways, you should get a Weebly account and play with it a little bit. It was easier to use than Wix, definitely. But it doesn't give you as many things to choose from. More of it is, you just have to take it how it is. But, it works. So, anyways, hope you enjoyed that. And please like this video and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you next time.